Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone, and this is Matt's telephone from Tennessee. And this telephone's in very good condition. This is the initial checkout, so we're going to kind of look over the phone, and I want to show it to you real quick. It's in good condition. Now, the dial center card does not have a piece of plastic cover over the front of it, and probably what we're going to do is use the same type of card, only the card we put in it's going to say, please wait for dial tone, but it'll still have that same look to it, and it'll be to the period of the telephone. I also want to go ahead and show you the rotary. The rotary is working, but it's a little sluggish, so we want to go through the rotary and make sure the points are cleaned and everything's oiled and adjusted. And so I've got the cover loose here, and I want to show you the inside of this telephone. And for the age of this telephone, it's pretty clean and in pretty good condition. We also want to take a look at the line cord. Someone has pigtailed on a modular plug. So we're going to try to save this original style line cord and then maybe get a modular port plug on here, or we may just change the line cord altogether. I want to go ahead and plug this telephone in now, and I'm not getting anything, so I want to hang it up and I want to ring the telephone, and every time you see this red light, that means a ring cycle went by. And I want to lift the handset on the next ring cycle, and we're not getting anything. So we want to stop the ring cycle. And so we know that something has gone wrong here with probably this pigtail here, or the cord may not be any good. So we're going to get a look at that. I also want to show you the bottom of this telephone. A lot of times they'll come in and they'll be all rusty, or the leather feet, the suede feet won't be any good. But this telephone's in pretty good condition, so we're going to get Matt squared away with this telephone. We're going to take a short break from the video, and we're going to start repairing this telephone. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this telephone. And we're going to run through a little bit about what went on. Earlier in the video, the line cord that was with this telephone had a modular plug pigtailed to it, and that cord was bad, so we went ahead and replaced the whole cord. And we also went through the rotary and took care of the rotary, and it dials a lot more smooth now. We also installed a dial center card, wait for dial tone, and a plastic protective cover that's in the dial center card. So we also went through the transmit, receive, the network. We also adjusted the action on the bells. So we kind of went through a little bit of everything on this telephone, and we're ready for our final checks. So we'll go ahead and plug the telephone in, and we'll ring it. I'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. I want to give you some dial tone. If you watch the analyzer, you watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. incoming message test. So we know that transmitter, receiver, it's dialing out and it's ringing in on a ring cycle. Now what we can do is, I have a button on this switch box, and when I press that, it totally takes the analyzer out of the situation and gives us a line out. And what we can do now is call a time and temp number, and they're having some problems with that time and temp number. You'll hear the recording start, and then you'll hear a hum, and then the recording continues, and that's on their end. Has nothing to do with what we're doing here. So we'll go ahead and call that number, give you some dial tone.
Good afternoon. Today is Thursday, October 24th. The time is 12:47. Current temperature at 55 degrees.
Mostly cloudy today, then clearing, highs around 50. Clear tonight, lows in the 20s. Sunny on Friday, highs in the lower 50s.
Okay, we can call one other number. We can call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. Now that we know that this telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Matt, and he can start enjoying this telephone. It's a very cool 302 rotary desk telephone, Western Electric. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.